Welcome to Aski Holistic Adventures, and I'm your guide, Michaela Carrier. Come with me to explore the Delta and Cree Métis culture. The Saskatchewan River Delta is the largest inland delta in North America. It is home to hundreds of species of plants and animals, a unique wetlands unlike no other you've seen before in Saskatchewan. In this beautiful delta, you can have an adventure in summer or winter. I will be your guide to canoeing, fat tire biking, skiing, or snowshoeing in the delta. I am an Indigenous Cree Métis woman, and I have 15 years experience guiding. I grew up on a trapline at Big Eddy Lodge. My whole life has been spent on the land. Ever since I was little, I have been canoeing and learning about plants. On my adventures, you will learn about herbal medicine. I will teach you about the healing power of plants along the river and in the forest. Aski Holistic Adventures. Aski is the Cree word for the land. Holistic is a chance to reconnect with plants and all aspects of healing on the land. Adventure, rejuvenate your body with physical activity. Aski Holistic Adventures is located 60 kilometers from Cumberland House, 5 hours north from Saskatoon along Highway 123. It is a true wilderness experience where you can immerse yourself in the healing powers of nature. Visit AskiHolisticAdventures.com to inquire about your adventure. Fill out the contact form and I'll create an adventure together with you. Tinagay, thank you for watching.